Hi, now we are going to see a problem in coordinate geometry, unit exercise 5, question number 10. A person standing at a junction of two straight paths represented by the equations. The two equations are given. Seek to reach the path whose third equation is also given. In the least time, find the equation of the path that he should follow. First of all, we should know that whenever we travel in paths in straight lines, if we travel in 90 degree, then it will take the least time. So first I will draw a diagram to explain this sum. There are two straight lines with equations. This is the first line and its equation is 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. And this is the second equation, 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. And a person is standing at a junction of these two straight lines. Okay, the person is standing here. We have to find the coordinates of this point. Let me take it as x and y. And there is another straight line, that is the third equation, 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0. And this person is traveling from this junction to this path in the least time, that means in 90 degrees. So we have to find the equation of this fourth straight line. Okay, so finding this equation, we have to find the coordinates of this point, and also we need a slope of this line, so that we can use the perpendicular slope of perpendicular line and we can solve this problem using the slope point formula. So first we have to find the coordinates of x and y so that I could solve equation 1 and 2. First equation, 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Second equation, 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. First equation into 3, 6x minus 9y plus 12 equal to 0. Second equation into 2, 6x plus 8y minus 10 equal to 0. Now changing the sign or subtracting the two equations, minus 17y plus 22 equal to 0. Minus 17y equal to minus 22. Y equal to minus 22 by minus 17. So the value of y is 22 by 17. Now substituting this value in equation number 1, 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. 2x minus 3 into 22 by 17 plus 4 equal to 0. 2x minus 3 into 22, 66 by 7 plus 4 equal to 0. 2x minus 66 by 17 plus we can cross multiply 4 and 17. Equal to 0. 2x minus, we could solve this, 2 by 17 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 2 by 17. X equal to minus 2 by 17. When this 2 comes on this side, we can cancel this. X equal to minus 1 by 17. So thus we have found the coordinates of this point x and y, minus 1 by 17 comma 22 by 17. Next we have to find the slope of the third line. Slope of 6x minus 7y plus 8 equal to 0. To find the slope, the formula is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Minus 6 by minus 7. So it is 6 by 7. Then we need to find the slope of this perpendicular line which is perpendicular to equation 3. Equation of new straight line. Sorry, before that we have to find the slope of new straight line. The slope of third line is 6 by 7. So the slope of perpendicular line is minus 7 by 6. So next, at last step, we have to find the equation of new straight line using the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here m equal to minus 7 by 6, x1 equal to minus 1 by 17, y1 equal to 22 by 17. Substitute these values in this equation, in this formula. Y minus 22 by 17 equal to minus 7 by 6 into x minus plus 1 by 17. So minus and minus will become plus. Then cross multiply by 17. 17y minus 22 by 17 equal to minus 7 by 6 into, here also cross multiply by 17. Now we can cancel this 17 and 17. Again cross multiply this by 6. 17 into 6. y minus 22 into 6 equal to minus 7 into 17x plus 1. 17 into 6, 102y. 22 into 6, 132. Minus 7 into 17, minus 119x minus 7. Now bring everything to one side. 119x plus 102y minus 132 plus 7 equal to 0. Take these two terms to this side. 119x plus 102y. While subtracting this, we'll get 125 equal to 0. That's all. Have a nice day. Thank you.